Hey, sorry it's been so long since I put out a video, but we've had a lot of things going on, and I think I screwed up on our Great Loop adventure, at least for 2022. And I'll explain that in just a bit, but I did promise you all a walkthrough of 5 to 1. So here we go. Let's take a look at our boat.
We are Matt and Monique, parents to 5 beautiful daughters and 1 dashing son. With 5 of our children out of the house and on their own, I quit my job, sold our home and everything else we own to begin the adventure of a lifetime with our youngest daughter, Morgan, and her dog, Tito's. Our goal is to complete America's Great Loop, but first we must travel from California to Mexico and eventually to Florida. Join us as we travel down the coast of California and Mexico. We will see and explore new places and meet new people along the way and learn how to live as a family of 4, exploring both land and sea.
So at the steps entering the Salon, this is pretty much what you get. We have a helm downstairs with full electronics and a autopilot VHF. On this side is the TV. Little couch. No, that's just a plain old chair. Those are bar stools really used for extra seating. Here's what we did. We got rid of the Princess stove, we went induction, and then we got an air fryer. Both are much more efficient than the Princess. We did break the microwave, but right there is where the microwave would go. Got an apartment size refrigerator. Nice deep sink. Plenty of storage. And then we have a little dinette. And that dinette will fold into a bed, but it's a pain in the butt. Going forward is Morgan's room. And I should turn on a light. There you go. Over under beds, very comfortable. Once again, plenty of storage. Chain locker. Behind here is a full closet. We got a mirror, air conditioning, heating, and then she's got herself a head. It's a wet head, but it is a full-size toilet and lots of room. Look at me, hi. Going back the other way, that's the engine room. Full stand-up, maybe not stand-up, but I can get in there and just kind of duck a little bit. It's a nice big area. Dog's here. And then going back is the master stateroom. We have a full-size queen. Lots of storage on both sides of the bed. And there's the dog. You can see there's lots of walk-around room. We have my closet, which I just took everything out. And then the dog, who has to be everywhere. And then Monique's, and it's basically, you call that a walk-in closet. Then we have a linen closet with some linen in it. And then our head. And it is a very nice head. Full toilet. Big shower. So, love that shower. Lots of storage too. Make sure that we've got everything, which we don't. To the sun deck. And there's Morgan, doing what Morgan does on her phone.
I mean Shakespeare off the belly.
And then we have the flying bridge. full controls. Show you the electronics. Great visibility. Really not bad visibility from the back. So here's the cockpit of the boat, and it's probably about a 5-foot cockpit. It's not very big, but you can do plenty of fishing and entertaining, and most of all, it's very, very safe. This is one aspect of this boat I love the most.
5-to-1 has a semi-displaced hull that leans more towards displacement than planing. I'm showing you the bottom of 5-to-1, which I want to show how round it is, where there's a lack of any strong or hard chines until you get to the aft part, right there where the stanchion is. That's about when that hard chine in the back of the boat begins. Here's a Grand Banks where the hard chine begins at the bow and goes all the way back. And you can see that the bottom is not quite as rounded as it is on 5-to-1. I would say that the Grand Banks is more of a planing hull than a displacement hull, and 5-to-1 is more of a displacement than a planing hull. So, what did I do to screw up our 2020 Great Loop adventure? I bought a boat. I bought a boat that kind of changes our plans. And for more on that, we'll see you next week.